right now, if I'm searching, I can type English letters. So one thing that you can do is you can go into here and you can take just the special characters and copy those. I'm in the languages section for Assembly. And I can create input buttons that allow me to type the diacritics or the letters or the diacritics that I want to be able to type. So that gives me those letters. This dictionary doesn't have tone marked. So I'm going to put in those and I'm going to rebuild it. And I'll show you what we get. I've got to remove it from here. BlueStacks, close, close. We'll see if this new dictionary installs in French. I hope it will. Building. And I guess I can just show you in this example here. This is one of Robert's apps. When I go to search, you have each letter that you don't have on your keyboard available as a symbol here. So if I want to search for or I can do that, and I can put a high tone on it. And then I can type in R, because I have that on my keyboard. And then I can put in another one there. But by default, this entire word thing is turned on, which isn't actually all that helpful, because it is only searching for a word if you have completely and properly typed it. So probably more likely you want to search for not entire words. And you can actually, by default, it ignores accents and tones. So if you have if I was searching for that, I can search for it, and it found, okay, this language doesn't have any tones in it either, but because tones were not, the tone button was not turned on, it is finding more entries than it should, but it still should find what you're looking for. So that's how that works, but you saw that those buttons were there, so I should be able to reinstall my new Resembly app here, Rev, installing, microwave, bing, there we go. And when I go to search, I now have those buttons. Now that is one way of doing it, and that is if you only have a few special characters, that's a fairly reasonable way to do it. There are two better ways. One of those is you could actually install the camera and keyboard on the device. So I can show you that just temporarily here. Go to that again, camera and keyboard. And so now, because I have the camera and keyboard installed, I can type directly and I can use it. That takes a little bit of extra setup because somebody has to go find another app.